Hello and welcome back to our ES6 introduction. This is use destructuring assignment to extract values from objects. Destructuring assignment is special syntax introduced in ES6 for neatly assigning values taken directly from an object. Consider the following ES5 code. We have a const user assigned to it name with the value John and age with the value 34. We do const name and assign to it user.name, and when we log it out, it would give us John, or return it or whatever. Const age, we do user.age, and same, we can get 34. Here's an equivalent assignment statement using ES6 destructuring syntax. So we have our const, and we give it name and age, and assign user. That would create two variables, name and age, and with John and age already on there. I don't know why they didn't show this line here, because that's still valid. But here the name and age variables will be created and assigned the values of the respective values from the user object. You can see how much cleaner this is. You can extract as many or few values from the object as you want. Replace the two assignments with an equivalent destructuring assignment. It should still assign the variables today and tomorrow, the values of today and tomorrow from the high temperatures object. Let's look at that. So we have high temperatures object here. Yesterday has 75, today has 77, tomorrow has 80. Here we want today and tomorrow. So similarly, we can use this destructuring to not have to write two separate consts there. We can do something like const, do our object, and within there they want today and tomorrow, so we can do today, comma, tomorrow, and then out here, I mean the spaces don't matter, but if you want it to look a little nicer, here we do is assigned. What would we do here? Well, high temperatures. So this would automatically, let's erase that. So this would automatically look at high temperatures, extract, or I guess to use their word, deconstruct this and say, hey, there's a today in there. Let's assign to this whatever's in there. Same thing with tomorrow. Destructure high temperatures, look for tomorrow, and pass in 80. So I'm not sure if I'm using that the way it's working correctly, but you guys see what I'm saying. This is grabbing from within here, creating a const called today, and passing in that value. So what we did with 2 lines and a little bit more writing, we're able to do with 1 a lot faster. Well, let's see if we passed it first of all. We did pass it. So this comes in really handy. It saves a lot of time, and it saves you from having to declare multiple consts when you can do it all at once, especially if you're grabbing it all from the same object. Destructuring is something that I use a lot when building applications. So, I mean, I'm not saying all the other stuff we've learned isn't important. All these things are really important, and just practice them, make sure you're getting them, and I'll see you in the next lesson.